So you probably know about the new feature on Instagram that you can change your icon back to the classic icon or to a different one. But on your phone it doesn't work. In this video I'm going to show you 3 simple solutions that will help you to change your icon. So I'm going to show you 3 ways of doing this, and I'm sure that one of them will work for you. So let's start with the first one. But before we start, please leave a like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first option you can do if you can't get the old icon, so you just go to settings and you can't swipe. It just doesn't work. Like what you want to do is you want to change your account, and for some reason on some accounts it doesn't work. So you can just change your account and then sometimes it works. So I'm going to change my account now. As you can see, I'm on a different account right now, and I'm going to try it again. So go to settings and then swipe, and as you can see it works on this account. So just for the proof of this video, I can show you that this works. If this didn't work for you, there's a second option you can try, and that is changing the permission. So you want to go to the Instagram app over here, you want to hold it, then go to the information, and you want to go to the app info like this. Then you want to go to permissions when it's done over here. For me it's in Dutch, but this means permissions. And you want to allow everything. So you also want to allow this one, and you want to allow this one. And what this will do, this will allow Instagram to enter everything on your phone, and this can solve the problem. So just refresh Instagram and then go back to Instagram. And let's try it again. So let's try it on the other account. To settings right now. And then when I swipe up, as you can see, it also works. So just do this and maybe it will work for you. But there's a third solution that will work on every device. So if the second one didn't work, if the first one didn't work, this is the step you want to do. So you want to go to the Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone. So go over here and then search for Instagram. So once you search for Instagram, you want to open the app, and if you haven't updated, you want to update. And if that doesn't work, you can delete the app and install it again, and when you try it again, it will definitely work. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.